Graco specializes in fluid handling equipment, so we pump anything from paint for painting a house, putting line stripes on a parking lot, for example. Basically anything where a fluid has to be moved from point A to point B, Graco probably has a product that does that.
3D printers have multiple value for us. Number one, it's great in the iteration phase of the project. When we get a little farther into the project, it's an invaluable tool because we use them for field testing and product testing. So having a wide variety of material options available that are all easy to use, quick turnaround parts meets a lot of these different needs and goals that we have.
For functional prototypes, we like to see the strongest material that we can get, and nylon CF10 is going to be the ticket to getting it into our customers' hands and to have the strongest part that they can get.
One of the things we anticipate with these new composite materials is being able to have a more robust functional part. I'm looking forward to being able to print out something that's strong enough where we can test it out and make sure that it works in the field.
So this is a hand assembly tool that's used on our manufacturing assembly floor. We currently make these in ABS. Over time, these parts in ABS will wear out, where this really doesn't engage. This new material is going to make it much stronger, and it's going to last over 10 to 20 times longer so that we don't have to keep replacing parts.
The Stratasys 370 CR allows us to get field test units in our customers' hands sooner, and then we can get that feedback and iterate, and we're really excited to have in the printer to give us the capability to do that.
This was a significant upgrade to the previous generation handheld airless paint sprayer. The 3D printed clamshell that we have in this particular prototype is a highly functional component. It's holding gears, it's holding the pump, and has to have the rigidity and the durability, robustness that the functionality of the part can work.
With this new composite material from Stratasys, the surface finish is phenomenal. The compressive strength of this part is amazing. It's going to take our printing to the next step.
With the new 370 CR, the changeover process to the carbon fiber, the composite materials, is going to be very quick and easy. You don't have to wait for the machine to heat up. Just the whole process is going to be a lot simpler for getting functional parts.
I've been a partner with Stratasys for the last 20+ years in 3D printing, and this printer is going to be the next generation, I feel. The Graco Rapid Prototype 3D Lab is extremely excited to use this new Stratasys equipment.